Hello my friends, welcome back to my cooking channel, Ellen's Homemade Delights. And today in my southern kitchen, I'm going to share with all of y'all a beverage using strawberries. And May is National Strawberry Month. And the #1 beverage we love down here in the South is some good old sweet tea. So I'm going to make strawberry sweet tea. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. This iced tea is refreshing, full of fresh strawberry flavor. It will quench up your thirst and perfect for the summer months coming up. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more sweet tea recipes, check out my sweet tea recipes playlist and my previous video, Southern Breakfast Casserole. I'll post the link to those down below in the description box. So grab your water, your sugar, and your strawberries sugar, because we're about to make some strawberry sweet iced tea magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is puree our strawberries. Over here in my bowl, I have a pound of fresh strawberries and I removed the tops and I rinsed them. Going to pour it into my blender. Going to cover the blender and we're going to puree it until they smooth. Alrighty my friends, this is what our puree strawberries look like. Nice and smooth. Now we're going to pour it into our measuring cup. Gave us 1.5 cups. So now we're going to set our strawberry puree aside while we make our tea. In my saucepan, I have my fire over high heat. We're going to add in 2 cups of water. And all we do is bring it to a boil. Alright my friends, our water has came to a boil, so now I'm going to cut the fire off and remove it from the burner. Now we're going to add in 8 small tea bags. And we're going to let it steep for 10 minutes. Alright my friends, our tea is nice and steep. Now we're ready to make our strawberry tea. In my pitcher, we're going to add in our tea. Now we're going to add in our pureed strawberries. One teaspoon of pure strawberry extract to give it an extra strawberry boost. 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. 1.5 cups of white sugar. Of course, gotta make it sweet. After all, sweet tea. And last but not least, 4 cups of cold water. And give it a quick stir until everything is well blended. And that's it my friends, our tea is ready to serve. So now I'm about to pour them into my mason jars. I have filled my mason jars with ice. So now we're going to pour our tea. Alrighty, there's a few more things we got to add to them. A strawberry. Some fresh mint. And 2 straws. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Southern strawberry sweet iced tea. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. All right, here we go. Cheers. Mmm. Oh, ain't nothing like a nice cold glass of sweet tea, bursting with strawberry goodness. This strawberry sweet tea is marvelous, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Mmm. Yum-o. Strawberry sweet tea delicious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Much love. Cheers. Mm-mm.